Hi, Namaste, welcome to Swaz Safri Kala, a true pleasure to make and enjoy food. So, if you are new to the channel or raised over here, then don't forget to like the content, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Swaz Safri Kala, which is totally free. So, without further delay, let's jump into the video. So, today I am going to make easy, instant, and most important, the OG Jethalal favorite Gujaratian dokla. So, we are going to share easy recipe of dokla which you can enjoy at evening with a cup of tea. We are going to divide the video in two parts. In first part we are going to make dokla base, and in second part we are going to make dokla tadka or fodni. So in first part we are going to make dokla base. For that we require chili paste or finely chopped chilies. I have taken 2 small chilies, salt as per taste, fruit salt soda, Eno. Use regular Eno or the lime flavor Eno only. Then take lime juice, 2 to 3 teaspoon of juice. Then take besan 1 cup. Sieve the besan before using to make a lump free atta. Now take half cup of water and dissolve the sugar. So we have the sugar water, lime water, that's all. Now in mixing bowl add besan, then add salt as per taste. Mix well, then add chili paste or finely chopped chilies. Add lemon water, add little sugar water and mix it well. See the consistency, it should be slightly flowy on medium consistency. Now keep this aside. Now take a baking tray and apply or coat with oil properly from all sides. Take the besan atta which we have kept aside, put Eno or fruit salt in it and mix it in one direction till it is fluffy. Once it is fluffy, then put this mixture in baking tray. In kadai, put some water and heat up this water on medium flame. Now put this mixture in baking tray and tap it properly. Then put it in this kadai and steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes or till it's properly done. Check it by a fork or a toothpick, and the batter should not touch the fork or toothpick. And that's all. Our dokla base is ready. Now for tadka we required jeera, til or sesame seeds, then chilies. I have chopped chilies, 2 to 3 chilies. As per your taste you can reduce or increase. Then I had take mustard seeds, then take lime juice and sugar water. Now heat up pan, add oil, let the oil get heat properly. Then add mustard seeds, let the mustard seeds pop. Then add chilies and give it a quick stir. Now add jeera, then add sesame seeds. I forgot to add curry leaves, you can add curry leaves also. Now mix this properly and give it a quick stir. Now add lime juice and sugar water in it and mix or give a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. So if you have reached over here and liked the content, then don't forget to like the channel, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to Swaz Safri Kala. Now add some salt as per taste and coriander leaves for getting that fresh flavor. So our tadka is ready. We will keep aside to cool down. Now our dokla is also ready and we have cooled down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now remove from sides the dokla or loosen from the sides the dokla. Now tap it to loosen it out. Now we have to flip it in a plate. So take a plate, keep it over it and flip the dokla. So let's open it up. So our yummy, delicious, spongy dokla base have come out properly. So now we just have to cut this in slices. You can make diamond shape by cutting it diagonally or by a square shape or any shape you like. After cutting, just add the tadka water over it and that's all. Our dokla is ready to serve. So if you have reached over here and liked the video, then do like the content so we come to know that we have made a good dish. Also you can share with your friends and family and subscribe to Swaz Safri Kala. So you can enjoy this dokla with cup of tea or green chutney. For green chutney you can take coriander leaves, mint ya pudina leaves, chilies, sugar, lime juice and salt as per taste and make fine paste and you can enjoy it fluffy dokla. So thank you for watching and enjoy cooking.